His question is, at the time of this announcement of nikah in our Jamaat, normally on behalf of the girl, her father or brothers are present in the mosque. Girls do not come normally. So whereas in the khutbah of nikah, basically the imam admonishes about righteousness and taqwa. So the girl in her absence cannot know anything.
The girl is not absent. She is sitting in the ladies section of the mosque and she listens to the whole khutbah. There is no problem. She doesn't mix up with the boys and men there in the mosque, but she has a separate section and she always hears the khutbah.
There is a conception in our country, I think somebody sent it from there. Not there, he's here now in England. So the conception is the girls are normally not wanted at the time of announcement. This is the conception.
No, they are, according to Ahmediyya Islam, or real Islam I should say, the girls are wanted to hear. But they should sit separately, that's all.
Okay.
But they must be present in their khutbah.